English Italian, is there.
C'è.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Ciao, friend. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and bonus drills. Today you'll master the tiny key that opens big doors.
C'è.
Italian for is there. Imagine a magician pulling a pizza from a hat every time someone says,
C'è.
yes, that's your kind of superpower. Quick chant to lock it in.
C'è. C'è. C'è.
Answer lights up, see or no. Let's go. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for anything like a pro, quick, polite, and clear. Singular, is there.
C'è.
Example.
C'è un bagno?
Is there a bathroom? Plural, are there.
Ci sono.
Example.
Ci sono posti liberi?
Are there free seats? Where is, uses.
Dov'è?
Different question. Negation, there isn't.
Non c'è.
Accent matters.
C'è.
Is not.
Che.
Aim for carbon monohydride A with a cute little accent mark. Mini dialogues. Repeat after me and play both roles. Keep it friendly and confident. You, excuse me.
C'è.
Il Bono, clerk.
Sì, c'è.
You,
C'è il wifi?
barista.
Sì, c'è. La password è sullo scontrino.
You,
C'è un'opzione vegana?
server.
Sì. C'è una pasta al pomodoro.
You,
C'è un caricabatterie?
clerk.
No, non c'è. Mi dispiace.
You,
C'è un tavolo libero?
host.
Sì, c'è. Seguimi, per favore.
Echo and rhythm drills. Find your beat, clap lightly and echo me. Echo 1.
C'è?
You repeat.
C'è?
Again.
C'è?
Tempo. Ta-ta-ta.
C'è?
Ta-ta-ta.
C'è?
Call and response. I say.
C'è un museo qui?
You answer.
Sì, c'è.
Or.
No, non c'è.
Gesture. Palm up, small circle, eyebrows up as you ask.
C'è.
Your voice rises at the end. Plural switch. I say, are there tickets? You ask.
Ci sono biglietti?
Quiz time. Quick check. Say your answers out loud. 1. How do you ask in Italian, is there? Say the exact opener. Answer.
C'è.
2. In a restaurant, ask, is there a table free? Answer.
C'è un tavolo libero?
3. Give the plural form for are there. Answer.
Ci sono.
4. True or false.
Dov'è?
Means is there. Answer. False. It means where is. 5. Negated. There isn't a bathroom. Answer.
Non c'è un bagno.
Culture tip. At the bar. Real life hack for your next espresso stop. At an Italian bar, smile and ask.
C'è il wifi?
Add a soft.
Per favore.
And you'll often get the password with your cappuccino. Keep it short, warm, and you'll fit right in. Memory hooks. Lock it in with a vivid picture and a quick sound trick. Mnemonic. Think che, like chair without the R. That's.
C'è.
Loci. At your front door, a glowing question mark whispers.
C'è.
As you touch the knob, stepping in reveals the answer. Metaphor.
C'è.
Is a key you turn to open the door of possibilities. False friend alert.
C'è.
There is, vs.
Che.
That, what. The accent is your lighthouse. Challenge mode. Time to improvise, go bold and clear. Ask, is there a museum nearby? Say,
C'è un museo qui vicino?
ask, is there a pharmacy nearby? Say,
C'è una farmacia qui vicino?
ask, is there fresh bread? Say,
C'è pane fresco?
switch to plural. Are there seats? Say,
Ci sono posti?
restaurant, is there a vegan option? Say,
C'è un'opzione vegana?
wrap up and thanks. Great job, you did it. Today you nailed us there.
C'è.
The plural.
Ci sono.
The contrast.
Dov'è?
And the negation.
Non c'è.
Keep practicing with real objects around you. Point and ask out loud. Thanks for listening, and remember, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more learning content, printables, and extra drills. Alla prossima, see you next time.